In today's video, I'm going to complete the Workspace partition by installing the OSB cladding first on this side in the wood shop and then move over to the pottery studio and do the same. But the first step is to move all of the tools back out of the way and get access to it. You can see that I've framed in this little recess in the wall to allow this part of the jointer to be inset just a little bit to maximize the floor space here in the shop. I'm going to bring in the cut panels and install them vertically and putting the seam line along the 2x4s. And with that, the woodworking side is complete. We'll move over to the pottery side next. One of my objectives on this partition space is to make the most use of the cavity as I can. And here's a good example. In this space up here, I can put a full depth cabinet for storage. But where the sheet goods come into this cavity or into the space, I can only go half as deep and I'll put shelves from here on down. So that's what I'm going to build next. So I've screwed this alignment panel in place here in the cavity for these shelves, and the back of the cavity is going to go inside here against that strip. But I don't think that pin nails alone is going to be enough to hold it, so I'm going to glue it first. With the top screwed down, that completes the OSB application. It's pretty apparent to me that I can build a pretty good box in the middle of a garage. Everything fit as expected. Next steps is to cut and fit the trim. And so, my friends, with the trim finished, everything is built on the partition between the woodshop side and the pottery side. There's nothing left to do now except paint, and with the magic of YouTube, the next clip you see, it'll already be done. Now that the painting is done in this space, the partition project is completed. I am so excited to have dedicated space for pottery alongside dedicated space for woodworking. After this, I'll be showing you a clip of what the garage looked like just weeks after moving in. If you've enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss my next upload. So until then, be an early riser. Get up, get going, and I'll see you real soon.